Our first graduate has earned a Certificate of Achievement in Education.
Cody Denaka Sullivan.
Cody Denaka Sullivan is making history. He's the only student with Down syndrome in Oregon to complete 4 years of college.
Cody was the first person to walk the morning of our graduation. And as soon as his name was announced, everyone in the crowd rose to their feet.
Proud friend James Phillips says that moment summed up just how big of an impact his pal made at school.
We all have our unique abilities and gifts and talents, and I think Cody just blends right in perfectly with that.
It seems each and every person Cody has encountered during his time at college has had their own special memory of meeting him.
I came up to him and told him that my name was Cody, and then just instantly from the start, that's how we became friends.
Cody was also popular in the world of college sports.
I met him my freshman year. He was my baseball coach. So he was always on the field. He's in full uniform all the time, ready for practice, swinging a bat. So he's been a part of all the sports teams. So I think that's where a lot of people meet him.
Meet and love him. His friends say way before graduation, Cody was a celebrity at Concordia University, a school that they say is one of the few that promotes inclusion with people with intellectual disabilities.
It's like you can really see that a lot of people are missing out on these opportunities, to meet with some very special people.
Cody's abilities know no limits. Dinner host, college baseball coach, dancer, and maybe what he's best known for, a friendly jokester.
He always says, looking, see you, boy. That means like, I see you and I'm about to come tackle you from behind in the cafeteria.
But now, a focused professional.
And be teacher.
Cody completing this portion of his education is about more than a certificate.
I think it's our hope that one day it's going to be nothing special about that. It's going to be so normal to see these people spreading their gift with the world. So,
Cody's friendships will go well beyond college, and so will the message behind them. I'm Kelly Nealon for InsideEdition.com.